So I'm going to show you how to do those float challenges. And the first one is this one. So we're just going to float text around an image. And to do that, we're just going to come back to our stuff here and open up these two here and split vertically. And then I need to have a div, and then inside there I'm going to have an image. And I'll just come up and go into 01, and there should be surf image in there, I thought. 01 float image. I'll copy the image over. It's in 0101 surf. Drop that in there. Bam. And we'll go with surf JPEG. And then we're going to have a paragraph, and it's going to have some lorem in it. And if I have a lot of lorem, it will stay in there. But if I don't have much, it's not going to stay in there. And so my image, I want to float that left. And that's it. I'm going to float my image left. And it overflowed my container. So if I put a div and do a border, 1 pic solid red, you can see that overflowed the container. So on the container, I could do overflow auto. And that keeps that in the container, so it doesn't overflow the container. And so that's the paragraph, the text wrapping around it. And if I had a whole bunch of text in there, we already saw this, right? But that's going to then wrap around that image. So that's the first one. The next one was to float a whole bunch of stuff like this. So we're going to float all those. And so in that here, we're going to do a whole bunch of divs. And we'll do div times 15. And we'll give them all an ID. And so the ID is going to be S. No, we'll give them all a class. And so the class is going to be FM. Class is going to be FM. And if we wanted to, we could say, you know, which div they are. And I think it's, does that go there or here? I think it goes there. Let's see what happens. Cool, I like that. And then we'll have one last div. And this will be div class clearum. And then let's format that. So split vertically. And we will have class .fm is going to be float left, and our divs, all those divs will have a width of 150 pixels, a height of 100 pixels, and a border of 1 pic solid red, and a background color of gray. And those are all floated left, and then clearum is going to be float. It's going to be clear both. And then this one here needs a height of, I don't know, 10 viewport height, and a border of 2 pics solid magenta, and a background color. What goes with magenta? I don't know. That definitely does not go. That hurts my eyes even right there. Let's see what that looks like. So we could add some borders or whatever. Like we could add a little bit of margin, 20 pixels. Okay, there's that next one. Oh, I just closed all my things. And for the last one we wanted to do was this one. And for this one, split vertically, we have header, and then we had nav, and then we had main, and then we had footer. And so header just be height of 5 viewport height, and a border of 1 pixel solid red, and nav will be a height of 50 viewport height and a border of 1 pix solid red. I think we'll just and this is going to be float left. Float left. I'll just copy this. And one more time. And this one's going to be main. And this one's going to be footer. And this is going to be float right. And this is going to be clear both. And then we need widths on these. Width will be 74%. And width will be 24%. And so that should do it. Let's see what I got wrong. Just opened everything. I'm not sure where my example is. Let's try this once more. There we go. And I need a height down here. I'll put this height at 5. And then we could just do everything around here. We could do star, margin, top and bottom, 20 pix, 0 left and right. So you could see, and we'll do background color, gray. Hey, I don't want it on all that stuff. So that's that one. All right, y'all got an introduction to float.
Nice.